Hello everyone, I am Mohammed Kamran Khalil from YouTube channel The Twins Technologia. Today I will tell you that how can we create stunning AI video easily by using the CapCut. Believe me, this is really very easy to create stunning AI videos. So it is not so much easy earlier when we don't have the CapCut. Now the CapCut has made our work really very easy. For that, what we will do, we will go to the website of the CapCut, and now here you can see the create, and then we will click the free AI video maker. When you will click that, so there is another possibility as well, that if you will observe the main interface of the CapCut, so it is written also as well, free AI video maker. So you can click from this as well, so you will land on the same page. Now click instant AI video. So now there are two possibilities. Number one is the enter the script, and number two is generate script. So first I will use this option, generate script. So what I will do, I will go for a sound which is like this one, and I will select that it is around 1 minute. Okay, that is fine. So the maximum time limit for the AI video generated by the CapCut is the 10 minutes. For the Google VEO3, that is not possible. In that, only you can make the AI video only related to 8 seconds. And in this CapCut, you will get the option in order to make the video generated by the AI using the CapCut up till 10 minutes, and that is a very big advantage. So what I will do, enter the topic here, define Newton's first law of motion with example. So I will click create. Now it will start processing. So this is the auto generated AI video which will be created by the CapCut. So he is generating and working behind the scene in order to create a really good video related with the AI. So script split, and now it is creating the voiceovers. So whatever the voice we have selected in the back page, it is creating the voiceover related with that video. So my video has created around 40%. Now it is creating voice over, and then after that, what will be the next step of the AI video maker by the CapCut, that it will generate media. So your work will become really very easy, and it is an eye-catching video which will generated by the AI video maker. So now it is creating the media, and just within 1 minute I will get my video related with the Newton's law of motion, and I have told him that give one example as well related with that. So as soon as now the process has completed, so now let's see what is happened.
What is Newton's first law of motion? So Newton's first law of motion states that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This means that the forces from your
So now you can see that how much easy it is by using the CapCut to generate the AI videos. Now the next video will be that how can we create the script, and after that I will make the video that how will make the shorts related with the YouTube with the help of CapCut. Subscribe my channel and like it, comment it if you have any confusion in order to learn how to make the AI video with the help of the CapCut, and share with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.